Hello, students. You must have seen doctor, policeman, conductor, farmer, soldier, chef, isn't it? And in today's video, we are going to learn more about them. So, let's begin. Lesson 2.3. Let's speak. Look at the pictures and say 2-3 lines about them. Now we are going to first see the pictures and then we will see what we can say about them. We have to speak seeing the picture. Okay, now she's a doctor, you're a policewoman, she's a traffic policewoman, then conductor, farmer, soldier, and chef. So let's see with the doctor now. Who is she? She's a lady doctor. See, when we say doctor, either it can be a lady or a man. Okay. So your doctor. What is the work of the doctor? The doctor treats patients. The doctor examines the patient. Suppose a patient goes to the clinic. Clinic means where we go when we are sick. We go to the clinics where the doctor is there, nurse is there. So doctor will examine you, and after examination she'll put this stethoscope, she'll put it on your chest and examine your breathing, and she'll ask you to open your mouth. She'll keep thermometer in the mouth and check the temperature, and then accordingly she will give, means the doctor will give the medicine or whatever remedy required for your sickness. So basically a doctor treats the patient. Next, policewoman. Here she's a traffic police and she's a woman, so we say policewoman. Now what is the work of the traffic police? Basically the traffic police controls the traffic on the road. Normally the signals are there, but where signals are not there, there the traffic police is there. Okay, and the traffic police what it does, it sees that who is breaking the signal, means not following the signal properly. Then what he or she does, catches them and takes fine from them. And why they are taking fine? So that they should not repeat the same mistake again. So and they are making them understand not to break the signal, not to jump the signal. If we don't follow the signals, what happen? Something bad may happen to us. So to avoid all those things, a traffic policeman is there or a policewoman is there. Now who is he? He's a conductor. How we come to know that he's a conductor? Because he works in the bus and he gives tickets to us. He takes money from us and gives us ticket, bus ticket. So from that we can make out that he's a bus conductor. He has a special uniform for that and he works hard. He when the bus is very crowded, it is a very tough time for him, because people are sitting also, people are standing also during peak time, means evening time, morning time, when people go to office. It's so crowded buses, so he has to just from the crowd he has to move and give tickets to see to it that everyone is getting the tickets. Fine. Then next comes a farmer. Now your farmer, where does he works? He works in a farm or the field. What does he do on the field? He grows crops. Which crops? Crops such as vegetables, fruits, grains like wheat, rice, jawar, bajra. In EVS, you must have studied, and dals. And he works very, very hard. Why? Because he works on the field, means in the farm, in open area. Suppose during summers it is so hot, then also he works. During winter it is very cold, then also he works. And that's the season also. And during rainy season also he works. So he works throughout the year, and he's working hard for us also because he's growing the crops. And we have even we need food, no, everyone needs food. For everyone's need he is working hard. So we should respect such people. They are so simple. See, the clothes are so simple, but they work so hard. Now, soldier. Now, who's a soldier and where he works? He works he works for the country. What he is doing for the country? He is protecting the country from the dangers, from any external enemy. So he's like working so hard. He's away, always away from his home, away from his family, and he is ready to give his life for the country, because the soldiers are guarding the border of our country, the boundaries of the country, like outside, yeah, everywhere. Suppose this is our country and they are bordering, this is known as a border. So they are working at the borders and taking care that no enemy should come inside. That is why we are very safe, we feel safe, because they are there. Because of them we feel safe, we feel secure that nothing will happen to us. And they are really the actual heroes. So we should salute them, we should respect our soldiers. Now he's a chef. Who's a chef? A chef is a person who is trained in cooking. Especially he is trained in cooking. So he works, where he works? He works in a restaurant or a hotel, and what he does, he cooks there, and he tries to give his best by cooking the tastiest food for his customers. Who's a customer? When we go to the hotel, we are the customer. Then directly we are giving order to the chef? No, we are giving the order, whatever we want to order we are giving to the waiter. Then the waiter is taking our order to the chef, and the chef will start cooking for us, cooking the dish for us, and we eat it. Okay, so he's a chef, and even he has to stand for long hours, continuously working from morning. He starts preparing for the evening time. So full day he works hard. Everyone is working hard, it's not that. And everyone is having a special uniform for their work. Now this doctor is having a special type of dress. Then police woman, traffic police is having different. Then policeman is having different, conductor is having a different uniform, farmer simple uniform dress. He doesn't have a uniform, he's having a simple, he's wearing simple dresses. But soldier, they are having their uniform. Chef, they have the uniform like this. We can say immediately they are chef. Now students, I'll show you photos. When I show photo, it will be very clear to you. Now first doctor, you can see doctor, he treats patients. He looks after the health of the people. He give he does a checkup, body checkup, and treats the patient accordingly. Next is the traffic policeman or the woman. Here you can see the traffic, how she is directing the vehicles, giving signals to them. Then if we don't follow the rules, traffic rules, then they take fine from us, so that we should not repeat the mistake again. We should always follow the traffic rules. See, here you can see the traffic policeman. Next is the conductor. Now what the conductor is doing here, he's working in a bus. He keeps on standing for long hours when it is very crowded, buses is very crowded. He takes money from the passenger. We are known as passenger when we are sitting in the bus. And he's a conductor. He takes money and gives us bus ticket. Next is a farmer. You can see the farmer working very hard in the open sky, under the open sky. Yes, he plows the field with the help of the bullocks. Then he grows crops. He wears simple dress, and he has to work in all types of weather. Next is the soldiers. See, soldier, what they do, they protect our country from the enemies. So we should respect them, we should salute them. They are ready to give their lives for the country. Then they always have to stay away from their family, and their life is not sure. Like they have to fight with the enemy when some problem, some crisis is there that time. And they have to work in all types of weather. Okay. Next is a chef. You can see chef. He's busy cooking. Yes, he's busy cooking, concentrating in his work, and he has to keep standing the whole day, most of the time, because as the customer comes, he has to go on cooking food fast for his customers, and he tries to make tasty food to make his customer happy. So students, today we have learned to speak few lines just by looking at the pictures. Now we spoke few lines about the doctor, policewoman, conductor, farmer, soldier, chef. Like this, even you can write few lines on whichever things you can see, whether it is a book or anything. When you see something, some picture, you can write few lines on it. Make it a habit. In this way you will develop the habit, first of all writing and then speaking the same, isn't it? So do this. Now we are going to do a composition on coconut. 1 minute, I've showed you the picture. Okay, fine. So we'll do the composition on coconut. Sorry, before the composition I forgot to do this. Write 2 3 lines on a policeman and soldier. Already soldier we have studied. Now about policemen. In the textbook we had studied about the traffic police woman. Now policeman. The policeman maintains law and order. You have seen police, isn't it? So what he is doing? He is maintaining law and order. Anyone breaking the law, he will go there and solve the problem. Suppose there is any robbery has taken place, so he will immediately go there and see what is the problem and try to catch the thief. He catches thief. He works hard for the safety of the people. So why he is working so hard? He is working hard for our safety. You must have seen in your area uh, the police are patrolling, means taking rounds in your area. Why they are taking? Simply for time pass? No, they are doing this for our safety, so that we are safe. Now about the soldier. A soldier guards and protects our country. I showed, he guards our and protects our country at the border from enemies. If he feels that some enemies coming from other country, so he will fight back and protect us. If country is safe, we are safe. Soldiers are the real heroes of the nation. Means we don't see them every now and then, but they are the real heroes. We don't see them in picture more films, but they are actually the real heroes in life. He is always ready to sacrifice his life for the country, and he is ready. That is why he must have joined army. No, he may must have thought that no, I will join the army and do something for my country. That feeling is there from within, so he's ready to. He knows that if I become a soldier, I may die while fighting, but he's not bothered of all those things. He just want to uh, uh, do something for his country. So such people go in army and become soldier. Okay, so they are the real heroes. Now we'll do the composition of the coconut. Wait a minute, students. Now first I'll show you the picture of the coconut, then you will understand the composition in a better way. See, you have seen a coconut. I am not saying that you have not seen, but while teaching, when I show the pictures, the teaching directly means you will remember it for a longer time. You can see coconut growing on the tree. See, so many coconut growing on the tree. Then from the coconut, from this coconut we can get coconut water. Coconut water is very very healthy, so you should not drink cold drink and all. Cold drink like Maaza, Mirinda, Thumbs Up. In place of cold drink, you should drink coconut water, because it is having many minerals. If you feel sick, doctor also advise us to drink coconut water. And if you drink alternate days, it is very very healthy. Okay, so whenever during summers, if you feel very thirsty, ask for coconut water. I know it is very costly, but for health you can pay that money. Then once that coconut gets dried up, you can get like this of coconut, and this is the kernel of the coconut. From this we make chutney. Mummy may be making chutney no for the idli and medu vada or some other, see, chutney you can see made from coconut kernel. That white part is in the kernel. Then many people use coconut in gravies, sorry, curries. Different types of curries they make. They grate the coconut and put in the curry. So this makes the food tasty also. Okay. So we'll just see the coconut composition. The coconut is a fruit. It is a fruit. Where you can see coconut? Mostly you can see coconut near the sea. When you go near the sea area, you can see continuous trees of full line. That line you can see full of coconut trees only. The coconut water is sweet to taste. When you drink coconut water, it is sweet, little sweetish in taste. Coconut water is good for health. I always advise children from my class every year that whenever you feel thirsty, there are three options, sorry. You can either drink water. When you are at home, you can definitely drink water. It is the best thing. But when you are out, don't means you may ask your parents to get a cold drink for you, like thumbs up, Mirinda, Maaza, because it is very cold, chilled. But you can ask, in place of that you can ask for coconut water, because coconut water is very healthy. It is not having any color, it is very natural. You can see no mixing, nothing. But in this cold drinks you get all color is there. Orange color Mirinda, Maaza, and then thumbs up, all color. And it is that cold drinks are not good for our body, because it makes our bones very weak, and coconut water will make it strong, our body strong. The kernel of the coconut is used for making chutneys or curries. I showed you know. So we'll just read it again. The coconut is a fruit. It grows near the sea. The coconut water is sweet to taste. Coconut water is good for health. The kernel of the coconut is used for making chutneys or curries. Right? So students, I hope you have understood everything today. So thank you very much.